Students, how are you all? I expect all of you are fine. I am also fine. Thank you. Could you remember what did we learn in the last class? Yes, we learned in the last class the beginning, Unit 7, Lesson 4. So let's start our class. Before beginning our class, let's know some learning outcomes. Have a look at this. Learning outcomes. After we have studied this text, we will be able to read and understand text. Ask and answer questions. Write a dialogue. Okay? At first, I would like to read the text and then I will ask you a question. So, listen attentively. The beginning. At the age of 12, she heard a voice from within that urged her to spread the love of Christ. She decided that she would be a missionary. At the age of 18, she left her parental home. She then joined an Irish community of nuns called the Sisters of Loreto, which had missions in India. Next, after a few months of training at the Institute of the Blessed Virgin Mary in Dublin, Mother Teresa came to India. On May 24, 1931, she took her initial vows as a nun. From 1931 to 1948, Mother Teresa taught geography and theology at St. Mary's High School in Kolkata, then Calcutta. However, the widespread poverty in Kolkata had a deep impact on Mother Teresa, and in 1948 she received permission from her superiors to leave the convent and devote herself to caring for the poorest of the poor in the slums of Kolkata. Have you heard? Learners, now I will ask you a question. Have a look at this. Where did she leave her parental home? Can you say, where did she leave her parental home? At the age of 18, she left her parental home. At the age of 18, she left her parental home. Our next question, where did she teach geography and theology? Can you say? She taught geography and theology at St. Mary's High School in Kolkata. Do you agree with me? Thank you. Now, I will read the section 1. What does Mother of Humanity mean in the text? Open your book, everybody. Section 1. What does Mother of Humanity mean in the text? Which is the correct answer? The correct answer is number D. A mother figure who serves the poor like her own children. Okay. Next. Question number 2. Why did Mother Teresa want to be a missionary? Because she heard, it is the correct answer. Number C, a voice within herself. Number 3, Mother Teresa set out to join the missionary of the Sisters of Loreto in the year. The correct answer is number B, 1928. Question number 4. Mother Teresa took her first vows as a nun at the age of, the correct answer is Number D, 21. Okay, do you agree with me? Learners, section B, read the text in A again and answer the question. In the last class, we already discussed number 1 and 2. So we need not this now. Question number 3. Why did she want to become a missionary? Can you say, why did she want to become a missionary? Yes. She wanted to spread the love of Christ. Okay. She wanted to spread the love of Christ. Question number 4. What made her different from other girls at such an early age? Can you say, what made her different from other girls at such an early age? Yes, her deep thinking and feeling made her different from other girls at such an early age. What words and expressions are used in the text to describe this difference? Can you say? The words hearing a voice within herself are used in the text to describe this difference. Question number 5. What did Mother Teresa do in the first 17 years in India? What did Mother Teresa do in the first 17 years in India? It's simple. She taught geography and theology in the first 17 years in India. Do you agree with me? Yes, thank you. Learners, now we will read section C. Here, look at the picture and talk about her in pairs. Take the help of the questions given below. Section C, look at the picture. Have a look at this picture. We have seen it before. Have a look at this picture. Here are some questions for you. Can you say, how old is she? How old is she? Can you guess? Yes, maybe she is over 80. She is over 80. Do you agree with me? Thank you. Why do you think so? Why do you think so? Because her face says so. Because her face says so. Number 2. What is she wearing? What is she wearing? Look at the picture. What is she wearing? Have a look at this picture. What is she wearing? She is wearing the uniform of a nun. She is wearing the uniform of a nun. How has she worn it? How has she worn it? What do you think? How has she worn it? She has worn it by hiding her hair. Have a look at this. She has worn it by hiding her hair. Have a look at this. She has worn it by hiding her hair. Okay. Learners, now you tell me, what do you learn from this lesson? What do you learn? Yes, Mother Teresa was born in Macedonia, 26 August 1910. From her early age, she was different from other children. Hearing a voice within herself, she decided to be a missionary and reached Kolkata after taking her initial vows as a nun. Learners, there she was moved by the prevailing poverty and left the convent, having permission to serve humanity. Okay. Now, your homework. Your homework is make a dialogue between you and your friend by using this question, section C. Make a dialogue between you and your friend by using this question. Here, section C, we have already discussed. Number 1, how old is she? Why do you think so? Number 2, what is she wearing? Number 3, how has she worn it? We already have discussed. So, make a dialogue between you and your friend by using this question. So, this is the end of my class. See you same day, same time. Finally, I would like to say, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.